Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this fun little math problem. But before you start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? The question says find the value of a plus b plus c, where ab is 10, bc is 20, ac is 30. Also a, b and c are positive numbers. I'm going to start my solution by multiplying these three equations together. Let's see what happens. First equation, ab times second one, bc, last one, ac, equals the value of ab is 10 times value of bc is 20 times the value of ac is 30. Now ab times bc times ac, we have a times a is going to be a squared. B times b is going to be b squared. And c times c, c squared. This is our left side. Right side, 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 3, 6. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Next, what is a squared, b squared, c squared? A squared, b squared, c squared can be written as a, b, c squared, right? 6,000. Now, a, b, c squared is 6,000. What is the value of a times b times c? So, when a squared, b squared, c squared, or a, b, c squared is 6,000, a, b, c is going to be positive negative square root of 6,000. But do not forget, a, b, c are positive numbers. So the multiplying the three numbers is going to be positive. So I write only positive. Now, how can we simplify this one? 6,000 can be written as a product of two numbers, 60 and 100. That's right. Alright, how can we simplify this one? Square root of 100 times 60. Now I'm going to use a math rule that says square root of a times b is same as square root of a times square root of b. So square root of 100 times 60 can be written as square root of 100 times square root of 60. What is square root of 100? 10. So it's going to be 10 times square root of 60. Next, 60 can be written as the product of two numbers, 4 and 15. So let's write it. Again, I'm going to follow this rule that says square root of ab is square root of a times square root of b. So square root of 4 times 15 can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 15. 10 times square root of 4 times square root of 15. As you know, 4 is a perfect square and square root of 4 is 2. So what is the value of ABC? It's going to be 10 times 2, 20, square root of 15. Let's keep it here. ABC is 20 square root of 15. But we are going to find the value of A, B, and C. To do this, we have AB equals 10. ABC equals 20 square root of 15. So BC is 20 and AC is 30. To find the value of A, I'm going to divide ABC by which number? BC. Look, ABC over BC is going to be this BC cancel off, so we can find the value of AB. What is ABC? The value of ABC, we calculated is 20 square root of 15. The value of BC, the question says BC is 20. So, now A equals ABC over BC. This BC cancel off. So A equals A. 20 square root of 15 over 20, this 20 cancel off. The answer is 15. So the value of A is 15. Let me write it here. Square root of 15. The value of A. Now I'm going to find the value of B. To find the value of B, I'm going to divide ABC by AC. We have the value of ABC is 20 square root of 15. The value of AC, the question says 30. This BC, this AC cancel off. So B equals 20 square root of 15 over 30. This zero cancel off. It is going to be 2 square root of 15 over 3. So the value of B is 2 square root of 15 over 3. Let me write it here. 2 square root of 15 over 3. Last one. What is the value of C? I'm going to use same way to find the value of C. To find the value of C, I can divide ABC by AB. What is the value of ABC? 20 square root of 15. What is the value of AB? The question says 10. So AB, this AB can cancel off. C equals 20 square root of 15 over 10. This one cancel off, so it is going to be 2 square root of 15. And this is the value of C. So C is 2 square root of 15. Now we are going to find the value of A plus B plus C. Let's do it. A plus B plus C is going to be the value of A square root of 15 plus the value of B 2 square root of 15 over 3 plus the value of C 2 square root of 15. What is the common factor between all these three terms? Square root of 15. So it's going to be square root of 15. I factor square root of 15 out. The first one is going to be 1 plus 2 over 3 plus 2. But what is the value of 1 plus 2 over 3 plus 2? The common denominator between 1 plus 2 over 3 and 2 is 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6, 11 over 3. And we have here a square root of 15. So the value of A plus B plus C is going to be 11 over 3 square root of 15. And this is the most simplified answer of our question. Do not forget, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. There are many ways to solve this type of question. I'm sure you can solve this with using another solution. Have fun.